Hello everyone, Sky of the Rainstone dev team here, also known as CoolDayR. I have a few announcements to make. For starters, one, our server is still up and running for all iOS 5.1.1 devices. It's working, it's great, we haven't run into any major issues. There may be a few bugs that's just the movement from 5.0.x to 5.1.x having a few issues, but overall that'll all go away in a day or two, so don't worry about that. But I'd like to let you know that we now offer full iPad support. So here's the iPad 1, and this is on iOS 5.1.1. Hello. So
Hello.
Here we have an iPad 1 on iOS 5.1.1. We have an iPad 2 on iOS 5.1.1 right here. Server status.
Rainstone proxy is up and running. There are 11 keys available. There are 26 active connections.
But then, we decided to take a step further and be the first server to supply iPad 3 support. This is indeed an iPad 3. And I can prove this to you by either A, opening Cydia, so I will do that first. Give me a second. Alright, so we can all see iPad 3 Wi-Fi. 2, there is dictation functioning. Hello. And without typing anything, it will say hello. And then 3, I'll show you Siri working. Server status.
Rainstone proxy is up and running. There are 11 keys available. There are 22 active connections.
We also took this one step further. Most iPad ports have lacked one key component of Siri, which are the fact that the weather app, the stock app, and the clock app are not active on the iPad by default. So we have enabled the weather app, the clock app, and the stock app, weather, stock, clock. Okay, my bad about that. And the way you install this is via Instalist. So once you install our package for the iPad, if you go into Instalist downloads, you will see clock, stock, and weather. So you just install those, you just click them and install them, and that'll be it. Everything else would be pre-configured, and then when you ask Siri about, let's say, the stock market, it won't respring. So how are the stocks doing?
Here's how the markets did.
So there we see market support. So that is our new port. It is working. It is now on the repo live, repo.rainstone.co. I hope you all like this update. We are officially the first to support the iPad 3. Everyone, have a nice day and enjoy Siri.